teacher! You read teacher time! Hello boys and girls, your teacher is back because it's Friday again, right? Anyways, it's Friday, right guys? Alright, so I think, well, the time goes by really fast, right? Right now, it's like next week, it's gonna be May. Can you guys believe it? We just started the class and right now it's May. I think in 2 months, we're gonna have a vacation, summer vacation, guys. But next week, we are going to have a Children's Day week, guys. So Wednesday, you have to bring all your dollars because we're gonna have a market day. Okay, I'm gonna tell your mommy on Tuesday anyways, but you guys have to remember on Wednesday we have a market day. Bring your dollars, okay? Josh, okay? Jimmy, all right? Leo, yes? Bring all your dollars on Wednesday so you guys can buy anything you want in the classroom, okay? We're gonna have a market, a little market in Play Art English. All right, so everybody, this whole week we went over all the what words? Letter? Let's see if you guys can remember. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is it? One more time. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. What is it? It's the letter H, guys. H, this is the big H, uppercase H. And this is the little h. This is the lowercase h, right? Big H, little h. Big H, little h. But this sounds, how does H sound like? Jenny, how does H sound like? James, how does H sound like? Are you watching this video clip, James? Jenny? Leo? I wonder if you guys are watching this video clip over the weekend or not. So, everybody, how does H sound like? H, 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 H. Right? Right? Let's see. H sounds like H, 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 H. H sounds like okay, all right guys, so let's go over all the H words together. So you guys have to focus, listen and repeat after your teacher. Okay, focus, listen, repeat. Okay, so let's see what's gonna come out next. Teacher is back because we're going to go over all the H words together one more time with your teacher. So you guys have to focus, listen, and repeat after your teacher. All right, guys? All right, so ready or not, we're just gonna start. Here we go. So guys, we're going to go over the H words. So this is the big H, the uppercase H, and the lowercase h, the little h. So how does H sound like, guys? H, 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 H. Sounds. Can you hear my voice? All right, let's go over all the words together. Here we go. Ooh, what is this, guys? This is hand. Hand. And this is a horse. 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 And this is a hand, right? Hand. Hand. And what is this, guys? This is a little hat. 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 And what is this, guys? This is the hospital. 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 And guys, what is this? This is a hammer. 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 Looks yummy. What is this, guys? This is the ham. 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 And what is this? This is the house. This is a house. House. And what is this, guys? This is a hippo. 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 Alright, we went over all the 9 H words, so let's go over one more time. Let's review one more time together, okay? So, everybody, what is this? This is horse. Horse. And this is ham. Ham. And what about this one? This is hand. 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 House. House. And this is hospital. Hospital. And this is a hand. 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 And this is a little hat. 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 Hammer. Hammer. And the last one is hippo. Hippo. Alright, so we went over all the H words, so don't forget H. H. So guys, your teacher will be back next week, so till then you guys have to practice at home and bring all your homework on Monday. Alright guys? Alright, have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Alright, you guys went over all the H words, and do you guys remember all the H words now? Yes? I think Jaden and William, do you remember all the H words? Yes? Yes or no? George? Yes? Maybe Noah? Do you really remember all the H words by now? Yes? I'm gonna ask your mommy if you can remember all the H words or not, okay? Okay. Alright, so right now your teacher will bring out the magic box right now, so I'll be right back, okay? This big magic box is here. Alright, so guys, are you guys ready? I'm going to ask you the sounds, okay? So your teacher will see if you guys can remember the alphabet sounds or not, okay? So let's mix my cards. cards and let's see who's gonna come out with the first. I'm just gonna put it down so heavy. Alright, so let's see. Who is this? This is Emily, right? Emily. Emily, you had right now you're wearing glasses, right? So, but I miss your cute smile without the glasses. Anyways, and your teacher, it's better you two wear glasses right now because I have this little the other friend named Jennifer. Jennifer and you look like a sister, so your teacher was kind of confused. Jennifer and Emily, they look alike, right? So, anyways, this is Emily, okay? Emily, so let me see if you can remember the letter E sounds. E. Emily, what is it? E. Emily. Emily. Right. So this is Emily with the E. A, B, C, D, E, right? Alright, so you remember the E sounds, right, Emily? Yes? Alright, so thank you for coming out. Thank you, Emily. Alright, so let's mix up the cards one more time. Mix up the cards. Let me see then who's gonna come out. I don't want to see it. And then pick one card. Jennifer. Yes, you. Alright, so you know Emily and Jennifer, they look alike, no? They look like a sister, no? It's just me, I know. Alright, so Jennifer, are you ready? Let me see if you can remember the letter sounds, okay? So let me see. Jennifer, how does G sound like? G. G. G, right? Jennifer is so smart. She remembers all the words, right? Let me see. G sounds like G. And what about, let me give you one more letter. How does D sound like? D. Did I just say the sounds? D. I'm gonna give you one more word. H. Got it, Jennifer? Alright, so I bet you remember all the letter sounds. Okay, so thank you for coming out, Jennifer. Alright, so let me see. Let's mix all the cards with my oil, face oil. Mix it together. I want just one little boy to come out. All the girls came out, so oh, the boy. I don't know who it is. Hey, no, face. Hi. Jimmy. You came out. Look at your face. Alright, so look at your naughty face. Alright, so Jimmy, are you ready to say all the letter sounds? Yes? Do you remember all the letter sounds from A to H? Yes or no? Alright, so do not call me. Everybody calls me, oh, beautiful, you're a teacher, and oh, you're a teacher, or I love you, you're a teacher, but Jimmy always calls me. I don't want to say it, but your parents knows it, right? Your parents know. Jimmy, please do not call me teacher, okay? Alright, so Jimmy, excuse me. Alright, Jimmy, how does F sound like? F. Sorry. Right? F. Like flamingo. Flamingo, right? F. Fish. Got it, Jimmy? Right? Yes or no? Do not call me teacher. Okay, Jimmy. All right, so thank you for coming out, Jimmy. You have to practice a little bit more from A to H sounds, okay? All right, so thank you, Jimmy. All right, so let's just pick one more friend, okay? So let's go mix it all on. Oh, I didn't my oils. Let's mix the cards. Let's see who's gonna come out. Noah. Hello, Oh, Noah, look at your smile. Such a cutie. All right, so Noah, are you having fun in the classroom? Yes, I think so. Yes. All right, so let me see. Noah, do you remember how does B sound like? B, 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 B. B, 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 B. B, 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 right? B, 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 B. What about how does? Let me see. How does C sound like? C, 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 C. C, 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 C. Right, David? What about how does D sound like? D, 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 D. D, 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 D. You remember all the sounds from A to H, right? H sounds like don't forget it, okay? So you have to remember, put it in your brain, and you have to, your teacher will ask you on Monday again, okay, Noah? Yes? All right, so thank you for coming out, Noah. All right, so guys, you guys should remember all the letter sound from A to H by now. Yes, so we're going to review one more time next week, Monday through Friday. No, we don't have class on Friday, guys. Should we dance again? Anyways, guys, bring all your homework by Monday so you can check all your homework. And on Wednesday, I'm gonna tell you one more time, because some of you guys, like, you know, every year, every time we have a market day, some of you guys like forget all the dollars and they cry. You're a teacher, I don't have dollars. My mom didn't send me $100. They cry. So please bring all your dollars, okay? All right, so have a great safe weekend and I'll see you guys next Monday, okay? So bye-bye. Bye. Say hello, Mommy and Daddy. Are you nervous? It's okay. Your teacher's going to see if you can remember all the sounds, okay? Lily, how does A sound like? A, A. B, 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 B. Oh, what about how does G sound like? G, 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 G. Very good. What about how does H sound like? H, 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 H. Oh, wow, you remember all the sounds. Very good. Say high five. Very good. So you did an excellent work, Lily. Yes, yes. I think your mom is very, very proud of you, right? Say, I love you, Mommy. I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
Give them a heart, like this heart. Let's go. Say hello, Mommy and Daddy.
Hello,
Mommy
Mommy,
and Daddy.
Daddy.
All right, so Jerry, your teacher's going to see if you can remember all the sounds, okay? Jerry, how does D sound like? D, 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 D. F, 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 F. G, 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 G. H, 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 H. High five. Very smart.
Yeah.
You remember all the sounds. Very good. So I think you can remember all the sounds from A to H, right?
Yes.
Very smart. I think you are very, very smart boy. All right, so thank you for
Yes.
coming out. Say bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Bye-bye, Mommy Day.
Say I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I love you.
Give them a wink. Wink. Let's go. Very nice job, Jerry. Let's go. Ready, George? Yes? Are you ready? Say hello, Mommy and Daddy.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
All right, put on your mask. All right, so George, I think your teacher's gonna see if you can remember all the sounds from A to H. Okay? Yes. George, how does G sound like? G, 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 G. H, 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 H. What about how the D sound like? D, 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 D. Oh, what about how does F sound like? F, 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 F. F, 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 F. Okay? P, 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 F, 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 F. Very good, George. High five. Very good, George. You know all the sounds from A to H, right? Yes? Yes? So say bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Your teacher's finger is so dirty. Okay, so say bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Say I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
I love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Oh, you have happy? Yes, give them a smile. Smile. Okay, let's go. Hey, hello, mommy and daddy.
Hello, Mommy and Daddy.
Alright, so your teacher will see if you can remember all the A to H sounds, okay? So, Julian, how does C sound? Like C, 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 C?
Coo, 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 coo.
F, 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 F? Ooh,
Goo,
F, 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 F. What about how does G sound? Like G, 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 G?
goo, goo, goo.
H, 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 H? Ooh. What about how does E sound? Like E, 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 E? I think you remember all those sounds. Very nice. High five. High five. Very good. I think your mommy and daddies are so proud of you and they love. Julian, what are you doing? Alright, so you know all the sounds. Very good. Your teacher's so proud of you. So say, we're gonna go back to the class. So say bye bye, mommy and daddy.
Bye-bye, Mom and Dad.
Oh, and your grandma too. Bye bye, grandma.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
Say I love you, grandma.
I love you.
Oh, very good. You should thank your grandma so much because she picks you up every day, right?
Yes.
Do you love your mommy?
Yes.
Do you love your teacher?
Yes.
Do you love Jane teacher? You don't like Jane teacher? Why? You like your teacher too? Yes? Ah, do you like Jenny? Jenny loves you. I know. She told me. She said you're very, very cute. Are you gonna give Jenny a little jelly? Yes? No? Interesting. Okay, so let's go. Oh, what is this? This is for me?
Yes.
Thank you. Let's go. Hello, mommy.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, daddy.
Hello, Daddy.
Alright, so your teacher will see if you can remember all the sounds or not, okay? So Bentley, how does A sound? Like A, B, 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 Bentley. B, B, Bentley, right? So what about how does G sound? Like G, 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 G? Oh, what about how does H sound? Like H, 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 H? So smart. High five. Alright, so you did an excellent work on your sketchbook as well. Very nice, okay? So do your homework, okay?
Yes.
Alright, so say bye-bye, mommy and daddy.
Bye-bye, Mommy and Daddy.
Say I love you, mommy and
I
daddy.
love you, Mommy and Daddy.
Give them a wink, little wink.
Yes.
Wink.
Wink.